So a few days ago, we got to know the specifications as well as the design of Realme 9 Pro, and I even made a video on that phone. In that video, I talked about the rumors of a Pro Plus variant as well, and today Realme officially announced that we are indeed getting a Realme 9 Pro Plus. While the company did not reveal anything else, we have got the specifications of this phone and also the official render of it, thanks to OnLeaks, who shared these details with SmartPrix.com. Design-wise, there is absolutely no difference between the Realme 9 Pro and Realme 9 Pro Plus. So both of these phones have a similar looking camera module on the back with the same number of cameras in it. There is a flat screen on the front with a hole punch in the corner, and both phones are expected to have an under-display fingerprint scanner. Now, one thing that is different between these two phones is the text on the camera module. In case of the Realme 9 Pro Plus, the camera module says 50 megapixel and also OIS. So this clearly shows that the primary camera has a 50 megapixel sensor and also OIS. The OIS is definitely something that is first for any Realme phone under the number series. So starting with the cameras, Realme 9 Pro Plus has a main camera with a 50 megapixel Sony sensor. Now, we do not know the exact name of this sensor, but we do know that this one is a customized Sony sensor. The second camera on the back is an 8 megapixel ultra wide, and finally there is a 2 megapixel macro camera. Compared to the Realme 9 Pro, the only difference here is in the main camera. All the other cameras are the same, and that is the case with the 16 megapixel selfie shooter as well. On the front, Realme 9 Pro Plus has a 6.43-inch AMOLED with a 90Hz refresh rate, which is weird because as per the previous leaks, Realme 9 Pro has a 120Hz AMOLED. So in terms of the display, it looks like the Pro variant has a better screen than the Pro Plus variant. Even in terms of the battery size, there are some differences. So while the Realme 9 Pro has a 5000 mAh battery, the Realme 9 Pro Plus has a 4500 mAh battery. But this difference is most likely due to the fact that the Pro Plus variant supports faster charging. Because we have seen the same thing for the recently launched Xiaomi 11i series, where the 11i has a bigger battery than the 11i Hypercharge. Finally, talking about the performance, Realme 9 Pro Plus has the same chip that the Xiaomi 11i series has, that is Dimensity 920. So while there were some rumors of Snapdragon 870 in the Realme 9 Pro Plus, that does not seem to be happening here. Well, right now there is no information on the pricing of this phone, but looking at these specifications, especially the Dimensity 920, it is safe to say that the starting price of this phone is going to be above 20,000 rupees. Would you prefer buying this phone at that price? What are your opinions? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I will catch you in the next one.